Let's now build up the scene around this animation. Now, in the first part of this video, we'll place a few background assets in here. And then in the second part of the video, we'll place a few rocks or stones on top of this basic surface, and we'll also work on the foliage as well. Now, because we've gone through the process of placing these rocks and stones and the foliage plenty of times in many of the previous lessons, so that is why I'll time-lapse the second part of the video. So I'm going to go into the outliner and let me open up this environment lights folder. I'm going to hide the exponential height, folks, so that I have a little bit of idea about the background. And I'm going to just move my view somewhere around here. And I'm going to select these assets. Let's create a duplicate copy of these assets on x-axis. And bring them maybe just about there. Let me get closer to this thing. I'm going to place it just about there. Let's enlarge this window. Yeah, I think it looks good. I'm going to now select these mountains from here. And I'm going to create a duplicate copy on x-axis. And I'm going to also rotate them on z by 180. And I'm going to place them here. Let's enlarge this window. I'm going to select this asset. Let's create a duplicate copy of this asset so that we have some extra bit of room for the animation. Yeah, I think it looks good. Let's move the playhead. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to now go ahead and unhide the exponential height fog. And let me enlarge this window. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay. So let's now move on to the second part of the video and place a few rocks and stones on top of this basic surface. As I said earlier, that I'll time-lapse this process because we have covered this plenty of times already. But I'll highly recommend you to do that by yourself. Okay, so I placed these assets on top of the basic surface, and we also have a little bit of a foliage as well. So that's pretty much it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys in the next one.